Welcome to my channel, where every turn of the wheel could decide your fate. From insane maneuvers to instant karma crashes, you're about to witness it all. Rise to fame through road rage? Trust me, nobody wants that.
The only one, because there'll be 1,000 people out there, parents and stuff like that.
And they can say the mistake over and over again.
Yeah, as soon as you get an X-ray, oh, that you're good to go. You're not.
And clearly I'm not.
But in 2410, what has happened to you a lot? Like a lot. Like a lot. No, it's like,
You're not learning your lesson.
This driver loves taking risks. The truck, not so much.
Maybe just something happens to you. It's not your fault. You're not.
That turn was a bit tight. The truck decided to lose some weight. An impromptu dance on the highway. Neither were very good dancers. An impressive acrobatic performance. Too bad there were no medals. That was a very intimate touch. The bus definitely felt it.
Разом меньше света. Ого.
A new style of parking. Very space efficient vertically.
Бля, человека убил.
The officer's shift just got more exciting. Someone called for backup.
This guy just got into a road rage incident. Whoa, whoa. This is this Fozzie guy. He cut off this other guy.
This is a new
Nuts
way of
in this Rolls
hitchhiking.
Royce.
It doesn't look very effective.
Holy road rage.
Я не знаю, там одна... Опа, опа, опа! Опа! Опа!
Figure skating on a snowy road. The other car was the judge.
Я сказал, что ее встречного захватят.
这项加班是从在宝鸡致敬。
A literal drive-through service. The building didn't place an order. The officer put on a spectacular show. Unfortunately, there was no applause.
Охуеть, блядь, пизди, блядь, охуеть,
The truck decided to take a
сука,
quick nap
блядь,
right in the middle of the
ёбаный
road.
в рот, блядь.
The domino effect, highway edition. Everyone got to play. A reverse maneuver that will go down in history. And on the insurance claim. The driver wanted to see what's under a truck. The experience was probably not great. A perfect somersault in midair. 10 points for bravery. Action movie style cement delivery. Free smoke effects included.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.
An uneven matchup. The outcome was quite predictable. He was trying to parallel park. It appears he failed. A friendly winter gathering. Neither of them wanted to be there. The pickup truck demonstrated its power. The opponent surrendered.
Papito, mi alma, te llama. Papito, 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 dame, dame, dame tu alma. Choco, 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 chocolate, choco, 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 chocolate, mami, mami, mami. Choco, 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 chocolate, choco, 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 choco.
A surprise fireworks festival today. Nobody seemed to get the memo. A real-life roller coaster experience. No one would want to ride it again. A drift so intense it evaporated a puddle. What an effective way to clean the road.
Мама, что там с водителем-то?
A dramatic chain reaction crash. The windshield shattered from excitement.